7 ways to make extra money working from home. First of all, hello, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, make sure to tap the like button and subscribe to turn on the bells because we always drop the absolutely crucialized information to make money from home and to work from your laptop and to do the things that you want to do, have financial freedom. So today's video we are going to be talking about the 7 best ways to start making money from home. Right, we are talking taking $100 a day, $200 a day, $300 a day or more using these strategies. Now I'm not going to be like most other YouTubers to tell you you can do it today by tomorrow, probably not, but if you use these strategies and you are consistent and you stick with it, you 100% can start to make that type of the money or earn significantly more using the strategies in this video. But make sure you watch this closely, because if you miss any part of it, you will miss out on the absolutely ridiculous ways to start making money from the comfort of your own home. Now, the most of the strategies what we are going to be sharing in this video are actually pretty simple. Most of them don't even require that much time. So even if you have a job right now and you're just looking for the way to earn some extra money on the side with side hustles, then this video is going to be the perfect for you. If you don't have a job or you have a job and don't want to stop in the future, then you're going to teach you how to you can actually transitions this the same strategies that can be used as the side hustle and the full-time income. So without further ado, let's jump into the number 7 as we count all the way down to the number 1 best strategy: make money online working from home strategies of number 7 is you can teach English online. Most of you watching this channel right now probably speak English, and if you speak good English or fluent English, or you were born here, regardless of your age or anything else about you, you can earn 15 to the $25 per hour just by teaching English, because there's so many people out there they need English to actually have a job or create more opportunities for timeline for themselves or their families that might not have been born in a country that speak English as a native language, and they are willing to actually pay someone like you to teach them English. Now there's a bunch of the different websites to do this, but like always I'm going to show you guys the best view of to take all the research out. One of the best sites can code 5 to 1 Talk Common that average is paying between $18 to the $22 per hour just to teach English. On other sites can code VipKit that pays you around 18 or an hour as well as, and of course that's depending on your experience. How did your number 6 is the becoming the e-commerce seller. Now there's so many different ways to do this. You can start your offer for free selling t-shirts. I'm selling virtual t-shirts with the concept about the politics or about now topics that have a lot of the polarity thing that actually make people want to wear the t-shirts, become they feel strong enough about that t-shirts represents to wear basically a walk-in advertisement on their body. You can do this with the sites like Printful, or you can start your own Shopify or dropshipping store, or even Amazon selling stuff around the house. Third party on eBay are used on the Amazon or the Easty or any other type of the strategy to actually leverage e-commerce, because basically what e-commerce is, it's like the garage sales but in front of the hundreds of the thousands or millions of the people, which increase the likelihood that somebody somewhere is going to be interested in what you have to sell. Number 5 is the user testing. Now, if you never watched any of my other videos, you're probably seen me talking about before, because this is such a great way to actually make money on the internet with the sites, Trama, UI, and the user testings. You can actually get paid to sign up for the basic tasks like the registrations in your website or the app. Now you might be wondering, why would you get paid for that? Well, there's the companies out there like the software companies, mobile app companies, multimillionaires, or even $1 billion companies. They need people to actually try it out their new websites, try out their new apps, and they found that it's actually cheaper to outsource that work to people on sites like user testings rather than the hire internal QI developers to actually go through all the tests, everything. So you actually going through, sign up, giving the basic feedbacks you about how confusing it was or how easy it was to actually valuable to those companies. And because it's valuable to those companies, you can get paid up to $30 or more per hour. Just do the basic tasks and sites like user testings and so many more. Numbers 4 is the sharing your experience. Now, what do I mean by this? Well, if you didn't already know, there's something called the knowledge economy, and with so many people trying to find better options that over experience colleges and universities that teach them all the data, those people are turning to the internet to learn from real experts who are actually independent informations that they teach. Now, how you can actually take advantage of this for yourself? Well, there's the site, the Skillshare or the Linda or the Udemy, or you can actually teach what maybe about the programming or the painting or Amazon or any number of the different things, regardless of the whatever or not you think you are the any skills. I know for the fact that you have the something that you could teach to someone that would be valuable for the person. And if you can get the confidence to actually believe that you can go check the sites like you to me, and you can go to look at their best-selling courses, and you can get ideas about what you could potentially teach, and then you can look at the course that already exists on you to me to get ideas for how to structure it, the type of the content people like to see. And you can even buy into some cheap courses yourself to see what type of the content you like, what type of the teaching style you like, what helps you, and then you can emulate and create the same style, the same structure, the same format for your own account courses on Udemy. And again, it's completely free to sign up, and I know many people actually making thousands and thousands of the dollars per month with their Udemy courses. But there's so many other ways to make once you have Udemy courses with the affiliate marketing, with the software that you internet into the courses you teach, getting people into the Facebook group or your email list from you to me, and starting to actually market to them or create your own offers. There's literally infinity ways to start making money once you actually have some people interested in what is this you have to say, which is you have to be teaching to the buy, just adding the value. You get value in the return in the form of the monetary experience. Number 3 is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is one of the best way to actually get started. If you're the brand new on the internet, if you don't have much money to get started, if you just want to start a side hustle, or you want to do something into the full time, no matter what situations, the affiliate marketing has options for you. You can create affiliate marketing videos actually reviewing the courses. People that are interested in e-commerce, what people do is they go out and they refer those people to many courses, and hopefully those people actually implemented that I teach in my courses and find success with the things like Amazon or Facebook ads, or how to create your own digital courses. With the digital courses secrets, you can go do affiliate marketing or the software or the popular products on the ClickBank. You can actually go to the ClickBank, which is one of the world's largest affiliate networks, and you can actually see that the best selling courses are the ones, what the best selling courses and the products are. Then you can start to affiliate marketing them with the Facebook ads or the Google ads, or on Facebook originally, organically, or your friends and the family, or the Instagram or YouTube, any number of the ways to actually get people interested in that products. And you already know that there's the best selling products because it's the top of the charts on ClickBank, and I know many people who are making the hundreds of the thousands of the dollars every year just by affiliate marketing their top products on the ClickBank. So if you think that just the side hustle, you're the 100% not correct, unfortunately, my friend, because affiliate marketing can become the 6th or 7th figure or beyond the full-time income. The number 2 strategy is what you are watching right. YouTube is not for the most people. Most people don't want to get in front of the camera. Most people don't feel comfortable recording the video. Most people don't want to figure out how to get a camera and the lights and editing, all of that. But for the people who do right, for the real entrepreneurial people who are enterprising and wanted to actually take over the YouTube, can be great at the beginning, right? You are making videos, you are doing all of this work, it's only to get in a couple of the views or maybe the 10 views, and it takes time. It can take months or even get your first 1,000 subscribers. But once you go and you are the proof that YouTube, that is, you're actually willing to put into the consistent work, when you can start to grow faster and faster. And when you start to grow faster, you get more and more interested in what you are doing at once. You have people watching. Then affiliate marketing, it becomes a breeze. You can make tens of the thousands of the dollars so much easier than you either thought possible. You can create your own podcast or your own courses and can earn money from the revenue. You can create your own software. You can do anything once you annually have a personal brand and you have the following of the people who trust you, and the following of the people who you're added a significant amount of the value to, because when you're add the value to the people and when you make the other people rich, that's the faster ways that you can actually start to become the wealthy yourself. But by adding value to the champion other people's lives and focusing on the what with the 100% of you, what you do will always get reprocasted from the universe in return. And if you have no idea what you want to make for YouTube channel about, just think about what you watch right here. People have on YouTube channels about everything, about wearing, about the fishing, about anything that you could possibly think of. These YouTube channels out there. So you have to ask yourself what are the passions about. Go look at what the most popular videos are in your particular niche, and then remark similar videos, write similar thumbnails, similar titles, and proves to be working by having a lot of the views, and maybe you have the video that goes viral and anything changes overnight. The number of the best way to make some extra money from the home hustle dollars or a day or more. We will get into the second, but if you haven't already, make sure you tap the like button to help out with the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe, turn on notification bells, and comment down below on work from home. And if we get 500 comments that says work from home, then I will actually release a brand new completely free affiliate marketing course that I've actually been putting together for a while, that you guys can use to start making a ton of the money from the home. The number one best strategy that I will use called online flipper now is the easiest way to actually get started, because there are so many people in the neighborhood all around the world that are giving away the free stuff, right? People are moving, people actually have to leave when they graduated college, people go to a new job and have to move across the country, and they have to get rid of their stuff, so people are giving away very valuable things like the application or the sporting equipment like the snowboards or tennis rackets or you name it. They will give the stuff away because it's more convenient for them to give it away than actually to go through the process of the 7. And that's where you take advantage, right? You on the Facebook marketplace and credit lists, and you look for things that are actually free and been given away, and then you respectfully reach out those people offering the grab those things for free, and then you take the better pictures. You're released it on the places like the Facebook marketplace, offer the eBay, Amazon, STI, and you actually charge for it, and you got something for free that you can actually charge 50 to 100 for. The ones you actually start to do this over and over again, you can start to make significant amount of the money actually flipping products that you get for free on Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, Craigslist, and you can resell them online by taking better picture and actually listing them for the price. You can even release them back on the Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist, where you got them for free, and this is the very good way to start to making money that you can then reinvest into the more capable actual ways to make money, which you can learn about the brand new playlist that is coming to your life in 3, 2, 1. See you there.